So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to add a coupon to your store. So we're logged into the dashboard now, and you're just going to want to go to the WooCommerce menu item on the left, and in the sub menu you'll see coupons. So we'll click on that. Alright, so you'll see right now you've got no coupons so far. So you'll see a nice big button here that says create your first coupon. So after we create one, you'll have a list of all the coupons that you've created. You'll be able to edit them or reactivate any coupon that maybe had an expiration date on it. Save you a bit of work in the future. But let's start from scratch here. We're going to create our first coupon. And like any e-coupon, you're going to want to give it a name. So you've got an option to generate a coupon code, or you can just override it. And I'm going to call this one Dog Days because we are in the dog days of summer here. Okay, so we've got the name. You can put a description there if you want. I'm not going to here. Now, discount type. So you've got a fixed cart discount, so it'd be like just a fixed dollar amount. You've also got a percentage discount. And then you got a fixed product discount as well. So in your request, you wanted to do 15%. So I'm going to click on the percentage discount, and we'll just type in 15 here. And you also mentioned you want it to expire at the end of the month. So we're going to go to August 31st. That is the expiry date of the coupon. So this allow free shipping. I can't recall if we have free shipping set up with you. I think we might have held off on that for now. But this would just basically, if you did have free shipping for a cart of X amount of dollars, like free shipping over $75, you would click this to allow free shipping if the coupon's applied to any specific category of products or all products. Like I said, I don't think we have free shipping set up for you, so I'm just going to leave it unchecked. It doesn't really matter. We're going to go to the next tab here, usage restriction. So we've got a minimum spend where it will be eligible. So, coupon, you got to spend $75 in order to get the 15%. You can put that in there. So you've got a minimum and maximum spend. Individual use only. So this is if you've got multiple coupon codes. So maybe you've got a code that can only be used individually. Someone might have an old code that you had created a long time ago and you didn't set up an expiry on it. And they try to enter in two coupon codes. So with this, I would check it just to make sure that they can only use this coupon and they can't enter in another coupon code. If you have any products that you have on sale, you can exclude any sale items from having the coupon applicable to it. I'll leave that. And now you can even filter products. You can exclude products. You can select certain categories, and if you just click on it, you'll see all your categories here. And you can exclude categories. And I think if you're going to filter either products or categories, it's probably easier to do the exclude feature here and just, select the different ones you want to exclude. I just find that's easier. So I'm going to leave that because I'm assuming it's a 15% discount across the board. So we're just going to leave it all the way it is. And this you don't need to worry about. Yeah, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now this is important. The next tab, usage limits. So usage limit per coupon. So this basically means this coupon, Dog Days, how many times can that be used overall, right? Well, we want it unlimited. We don't want to put a restriction on that. Now, what we do want to put a restriction on, I'm going to jump down here to user. You might only want to allow someone to be eligible for that coupon code once. And I'm pretty sure this is connected with the user's IP address, so that's how it'll pick it up. Now, they could, go to a friend's house and purchase it somewhere and get the deal. But this at least will safeguard a little bit of people abusing the discount. Or maybe you don't want any limit at all. That's totally up to you. but I'm going to set up the coupon can be used by a user once. And then limit usage to X items. Now, if you've got like 10 different products in your cart, you've got an option here to kind of limit the discount depending on how many items you have in your cart. Again, I don't see a reason why you'd want to utilize that, but there is that option to do that. Okay, so that's basically it. We've basically created it. We've got the expiry date, that's important. We've obviously got the criteria of the coupon, 15%. We've checked off that it can't be used with any other coupons. And then we've set up limit of one-time use per user for this particular coupon. So there we go. So we've got that coupon, and basically the name that we have given it, that's going to be the coupon code. We're going to publish it. And there you go. That is now created. So when we go back to coupons, the menu on the left, we're now going to see it here. So here you can see a little snapshot, percentage 15%, expires August 31st. And if you want to edit it, you can just click on edit. And there you go. So that part's done. Now, how are you going to let people know about the coupon? So this is a different thing that we're going to need to set up. So, when they get on the home page, did you want a pop-up window with the discount code for the month of August? Just letting people know, and then have like a shop now, going to the shop page that has all the products. So that's up to you. So I'll leave that for another video. If you want to display that there actually is currently a coupon being offered for the month of August. So that would be another video, but as far as making coupons, hopefully that's clear and decisive.